Hey guys, welcome back to McGuzzCon PC Tricks. If you're facing the error the license manager is not functioning or is improperly installed, Revit will shut down now. Then don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you a simple method to fix this issue and get Autodesk Revit working smoothly again. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Click on the Start button and type Services, then hit Enter. This will open the Windows Services Manager, where we'll find the service responsible for Revit's licensing. Now, let's locate the required service and make the necessary changes. Scroll down and find Autodesk Desktop Licensing Service. Double-click on it to open the Properties window. Under Startup Type, set it to Automatic and hit Apply. Next, click on Start to manually run the service. We are setting it to Automatic so that Revit can always access the License Manager without issues. Go to the Log On tab, check the box that says Allow Service to interact with Desktop. Click Apply and OK to save the settings. This step ensures that the licensing service can interact with Revit properly. Now, click on Restart the service to apply all changes. Close the Services Manager and try opening Autodesk Revit again. Let's check if the issue is resolved. Launch Autodesk Revit and verify that it opens without errors. If it opens successfully, the issue is fixed. And there you have it, Revit is now working without any errors. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the Revit licensing error. If you found this video useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PC tips and fixes. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help.